Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your life.
Yeah, that sounds fine to me unless it's shooting BBs.
The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. What I'm sipping, I kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that bitch babe, well alright. Tryna fight in the night, from the light. Ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
Shit. What?
Yeah, I got you.
Watch me pop my shit, get it live. Hold up, yeah. You try to come around at the shit, they popping your tires. Hold up, shit. 100 round, feeling like I'm on team. Playing both sides of these hoes. Shot out, I'm fucking your friends. I've been going crazy, shot. I've been in the deep end. She not in the scene. She just tryna go. I just been icing my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. This whole nother level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the old. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. Niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my